Alright guys, this one is going to leave you shaking your head. A father walks into court asking for something you don't hear every day. Child support from the children's mother. As the hearing unfolds, excuses collide with hard facts, emotions boil over, and the judge refuses to let anyone dodge responsibility. By the end, one decision changes everything. Stay with this one because every minute raises the stakes.
What's been going on? I mean, it's been a few months since I've seen you.
Right.
So it looks like you were here. Back when you were here, they had a... Excuse me?
She just looking at me crazy.
I'll make it easier for you. You focus on me.
Right.
Don't excuse me. Excuse me.
Sorry, Judge.
Don't be sorry. Just don't do it. This is your first time here today. And if I remember correctly, you filed the lawsuit on him previously and had the audacity not to show up. So you definitely need to pipe down.
Okay. I chose money though.
Okay, well, you may have, and we're going to get into that and see how much money you probably are going to be paying on child support. But we want to, oh my gosh.
You see? God don't like ugly.
Oh.
You know what? You talking about you?
God don't like ugly.
You know, this happens every now and then when the weather is bad outside.
No,
things happen in court.
And
well, no, the weather is bad outside.
You know what? Talk to the judge. Don't direct none over him.
Okay, what she just said is right. All right, but I'm not agreeing with you in the sense that, you know what I mean? Let me tell him to be quiet and talk to me only.
I got you.
All right, Mr. Clough, continue. So, as I was saying, it's been a few months. So the kids have been with you, looks like it's been about 7 or 8 months now.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So in this 7 or 8 months, has mom been paying?
Have you been paying?
Well, no, that's not how this works. That's not how this works.
She hasn't been paying.
All right.
She has not been paying.
Has she?
The judge wastes no time establishing control, and that's incredibly important. In family court, respect and credibility matter almost as much as the evidence itself. When one party interrupts or mocks the other, it doesn't just create chaos. It can damage how the judge views their reliability. Do you think first impressions inside a courtroom really influence the final outcome?
You want me to know before I move over to her?
I think that's about it, Your Honor. Just ready to hold her accountable.
Okay, boy. Okay, Miss Daniels.
Yes, Judge. Sorry.
Excuse me.
Judge, I'm sorry.
Are you here to be pretty, or are you here to tell me your side of the story as to why you shouldn't pay child support today?
A little bit of both, Judge. But I'm
not interested in whether you're here to be pretty or not. That has nothing to do with my ruling. You understand that, right?
I do, Judge.
All right.
But I should be pretty for you.
Well, let's stick to the facts. I could care less how you look.
Okay, Judge. Let's get to the facts.
Please do.
And
quickly, without all the extra.
Not extra at all. The fact is, Judge, I had these children for 10 years before I put them on your doorstep. He was barely doing anything. That's why I petitioned the court, Judge.
Okay, well, here's the deal. You petitioned.
Yeah.
He showed up. You didn't. I dismissed it.
Here's where the case starts taking a dramatic turn. The father isn't just claiming the mother stopped paying support. He says she also disappeared from the children's lives while focusing on a new relationship. Whether every accusation is true or not, the judge's attention is shifting toward one question. Who has actually been showing up for these kids? That's what family court usually cares about most.
Well, that's why I petitioned the court. I do apologize for not showing up, Judge, but let me tell you, I came up, you know.
Oh, let's talk about this come up. What kind of come up we talking about?
Well, Judge, I met a man who said he can change my life, Judge.
All right, so how financially, did he change this life of yours?
Not too much.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Clough.
I know.
Mr. Clough. We don't know. Let's hear her side of the story, because I'm pretty sure she's going to say some interesting stuff about finances.
Judge, Clough don't know nothing. Listen, understand that I got at least, 6 figures in the bank.
Oh, okay.
Had 6 figures in the bank.
You said what now?
Mr. Clough. Again, I'm not, excuse me, Miss Daniels, when I speak, both of you be quiet. Mr. Clough, there will be no more outbursts, okay? I understand you both are frustrated, emotions are high, but let me get through this hearing, okay? Because if I can't get through...
Notice how quickly the judge redirects the conversation. Personal appearance, confidence, even charm. They don't decide child support cases. Courts want facts, financial information, and proof of parental involvement. Every second spent avoiding those issues only increases frustration. If you were standing before the judge, would you answer directly or try to explain the bigger picture first?
Well, it kind of just depends on the year and how many promotions I get, how many companies want to invest in me. So it just depends. Anywhere between.
When are you going to answer my question?
Judge, it's a difficult question for me because, you know, sometimes I can have a promotion that's $500 or I can have a promotion that's $50,000 plus. So,
Ms. Daniels, you know I don't have a lot of time, right? I have other cases I need to get here.
I do understand that.
Right, so you obviously came here to waste my time.
I didn't.
You did, because I asked you a very simple question. On average,
I have a simple answer.
On average, how much do you make in a year?
Judge, I'd like to say about maybe about 30 to 100K.
Okay, 30 to 100,000?
Yeah.
So
now we're hearing the mother's explanation, and it's already raising eyebrows. She says she believed someone would completely change her life, but hope isn't a legal defense when children still need financial support. The judge is listening patiently, yet you can almost feel the patience running out. At this point, whose side do you think has been more believable?
This from an employer or are you self-employed?
What do we do? Self-employed.
All right.
I do influence.
What do you influence?
I influence the world.
You clearly aren't influencing. You said the world?
The world.
Well, that doesn't include these 5 children because you don't even go and see them, right?
It's just been the last couple months.
Well,
okay?
No, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
You're influencing everyone but these children that you do not have anything to do with and you do not financially support. You said they were with you excuse me?
It's hot.
What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
It's getting hot.
She trying to show you what she had
The BBL?
done. Yeah.
I'm not interested in the BBL. Let me tell you what I'm about to do. I'm about to make these numbers go BBL, okay?
Judge, can I speak briefly?
Briefly. Make it.
This is one of the biggest legal mistakes you can make in court, giving vague answers about your income. Child support calculations depend heavily on earnings, so uncertain numbers make it harder for the judge to trust your testimony. Instead of helping her case, every unclear response is pushing the judge toward making assumptions. Would you have handled these questions differently?
BBL.
I didn't pay for that.
How much was it? How much was it?
I mean, you know, I got more than the BBL. I had tube sock titties, so I got the boobies, then I got the booty, and then I got all that. So he probably paid $35,000, $40,000. Yeah, he did.
Oh yeah, let me hurry up and get you out of here with these numbers. You are about to pay child support. You have 5 children total, or do you have other children outside of these 5 that are under the age of 18?
No, I don't.
Okay,
they're grown.
So just the 5 children, right?
Yes.
All right, so 5 children, that is going to be at the 40%.
The courtroom atmosphere changes completely here. The judge points out a painful contradiction. Claiming to influence thousands online while not being actively involved with your own children. Whether that criticism feels harsh or fair, it lands because it speaks to priorities instead of appearances. Sometimes one sentence carries more weight than pages of testimony.
All right. So your child support, you're looking at monthly. So with your testimony being on the high end of $100,000, that's what I just based your child support off of. So, I mean, well, I was going to make it higher than that and do it like the $350,000. Then that would make you cap out. But
I think you should do that.
Well,
no.
If I have to accept her testimony is true, but I don't really think that it's going to help her too much because her child support is still going to be pretty hefty. So I have your gross at $8,333.33. That brings your net to $6,512.07. So $6,512 times the 40%. That brings your child support amount to $2,600
Then comes another surprising moment. The discussion shifts from cosmetic procedures to financial responsibility. The judge isn't criticizing personal choices. He's comparing spending priorities against parental obligations. In family court, judges often examine whether someone's lifestyle matches their claim of limited resources. That's why this exchange becomes much more important than it first appears.
It'll just break down, but the amount is $2,604 plus.
I can give you that.
Plus,
You need it.
$350 reimbursement for the children, so that brings your monthly rate to $2,954.
I got it. Can the kids stay with him now?
The kids will continue to live with him because that's who they live with, and obviously you care more about a BBL than them.
That's not true.
We don't know when she's gonna run off again with the next guy.
No, next guy. I'm good.
It'll be a caprice this time.
I'm good.
Oh, okay. So we're good with the numbers then. Is there anything further?
Now we're watching the legal side unfold in real time. Once the judge settles on an income figure, the math largely takes over. Child support formulas are designed to provide consistency rather than emotion, which means arguing after the calculation begins is usually too late. This is the moment where testimony turns into financial consequences.
How does that work?
The kids are going to stay with him, and you guys are going to work that out at a
we don't
different.
get along very well, as you can see.
Well, obviously, but I mean, they need to stay with him and probably see you on weekends if you're so busy.
That's my busiest time, Judge. I can't do weekends. Maybe Monday to Tuesday.
Well, they go to school.
All right, and I'm at work.
Are you going to get them to school?
No.
I can't.
You can't get them to school.
She don't have a car.
You don't have a car?
She make all that
please.
money,
Oh, you a lie.
but ain't got no car.
You better go see the rose outside.
What kind of roses? I love roses. What color?
I just said rose, like rose gold color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
because I know we weren't talking about that other one. But
no,
anywho,
we're not
that's
good.
neither here nor there. Is there anything further, Mr. Cliff?
I think that's all, Your Honor.
All right. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
The final monthly amount is significant, and it sends a powerful message. Child support isn't meant to punish either parent. It's intended to help meet the children's needs. The judge also orders reimbursement for health insurance costs, reinforcing that raising kids involves far more than simply writing a monthly check. Do you think this ruling was fair? Even after the financial ruling, another challenge remains: visitation. Money can be calculated with formulas, but parenting schedules require cooperation. When neither parent's availability lines up with the children's routine, the real work often begins after everyone leaves the courtroom. Which issue do you think is harder to solve, support payments or co-parenting? This hearing ultimately came down to accountability. The judge looked beyond excuses, social media claims, and emotional arguments to focus on one priority: the children's well-being. It's a reminder that family court rewards responsibility more than promises. If this case surprised you too, drop your opinion in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama.